What's up, boys? So I got a new tripod and I couldn't help but take some shots of the quad. For those of you that don't know, it's a 2021 YFZ450R Special Edition, and it has the Barker's Performance Stage 3 setup, which is the full exhaust, fuel customs intake, and a Dyno Jet Power Commander 5 mapped for that exhaust and that intake specifically for this bike. Check out the new shots from the tripod and don't forget to subscribe.
Life is good. You know what I mean? Like,
100,000 for the cheapest ring on.
Glad you finished the video. I mean, you should. It was only like a minute long, but thanks for that. So I'm trying to make shorter videos because the time it takes to make them is a lot less. This way I can post more frequently. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit a like if you did, and I'll see you later.